Hey guys, so Gionee has launched the Gionee F1 Plus, another iPhone 14 Pro clone. In this video, we'll explore its top features, specs, and its price. If you're new here, kindly subscribe and turn on notifications. So let's quickly dig into it. So the Gionee F1 Plus features a light and shadow body design with a metal frame and a 2.5D glass coated back cover. It has a thickness of 8.6 millimeters and weighs 236 grams, making it relatively slim and moderately heavy. The smartphone has a 6.5-inch HD+ IPS LCD display with a refresh rate of 60 Hz. The Gionee F1 Plus is powered by the Unisoc T610 processor and comes in two memory configurations, 6GB RAM and 8GB RAM, both with 128GB of internal storage. As regarding camera, the Gionee F1 Plus features triple rear camera setup with a 13MP main camera. The specs of the other cameras are not disclosed. The front-facing camera of the Gionee F1 Plus is 5MP. The smartphone is equipped with a 4000 mAh battery, which should provide a decent amount of battery life for moderate usage. However, the 10 watts charging via USB Type-C would be relatively slow compared to more advanced fast charging technologies available in other smartphones. Other features of the Gionee F1 Plus includes a 3.5mm headphone jack, a side-mounted fingerprint sensor for biometric authentication, and face unlock for additional security. And speaking of price, the Gionee F1 Plus is priced at $159 for the 6GB RAM variant and $174 for the 8GB RAM variant, which could be considered relatively affordable compared to flagship smartphones, but also reflects the use of mid-range components and clone design. So these are the top features and specs of the Gionee F1 Plus, a clone of the iPhone 14 Pro. As you can see, it offers a similar design and some comparable features, but with lower end specifications and potentially limited software support. Buyers should be cautious when considering clone devices, as they may not provide the same performance, reliability, and user experience as genuine branded smartphones. I'd like to hear your thoughts about the Gionee F1 Plus, so feel free to share them in the comment section below. Thanks for watching, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you guys in the next update. Peace out.